Well, folks, I wanted to show you this. Looks like a flying saucer in the clouds. That's the sun trying to shine through. It's putting out the rays up in the air. Oh, we have a nasty storm coming in. See that? That's what it looks like all the way around. It's raining right now. But that's really, the clouds are cool right there. That looks neat. Yeah, you don't see it shine as much. Far away you do. Well, it's starting to rain. That's all I wanted to show, just the clouds shooting the rays out. It's starting to go away now. It's starting to come down. Yeah, look at it. You can see over there further. Yeah, it's really raining over there now. So it's starting to rain good now. That's how it is. It looks like it's all. Alright. You can see the rays there. It's brown rays way up. Pretty cool. Who's over here? Little Coon. Hello, Coon. How are we doing? And little good girl, huh? How's your little foot? Yeah, huh? Good girl. Yeah. It's starting to rain now, huh? Yeah. I know, rain getting on your ears. Yep. Okay. Tell everybody thanks for watching. Where's your little puff tail? Look at that little puff tail, huh? You got your little puff tail. Yep. That little cute little puff tail, huh? Yep. I was born without a tail, huh? And my little foot. Let's see your little foot. Where's your little foot all bent, huh? Show everybody how you walk, huh? Yeah, don't do too bad, huh? Nah, huh? Okay. Oh, yeah, it's coming down now. Yep. Always have my flag out. Uh-oh, Cooney got scared. The coffee grinder's going. Huh? Are you scared? It's okay. Huh? Got the coffee grinder going, huh? Yeah. Did you want to go back in? Gonna get scared. Uh-oh, huh? It's not the vacuum, huh? We better not go in there, huh? Okay, we're gonna end it now, folks. 3 minutes. Look at that. Sun's trying to get through the clouds there. About it. Now it's raining pretty good. I don't know if you can even zoom to see it. See the rain coming down? Oh yeah, there. Now I got some big drops coming down, so going in the house now. Plus I'm outside and we had like nasty 90-degree weather here today, so you see